Hi, I'm Jason, previous Mac Genius, and today we're going to talk about sticky notes on a Mac. There are actually two places that the sticky notes are used. You can use them in your dashboard, or you can use the sticky notes application, which most people are familiar with, and we're going to start with that one first. So I'm going to go into our Macintosh HG, Applications, and I'm going to go down to Stickies. And I want this in the dock, so I'm just going to drag this application down here in the dock like that, and I'm going to launch it. And the first time you launch it, you'll see kind of these messages. These are different things you can do with stickies. I'm going to go ahead and close these. And when you close a sticky, it'll ask you every time if you want to save it. If you don't want to save it so it opens up automatically with stickies, just say don't save, sorry. And so let's make a new note. So I'm going to, here's our keyboard control, Command N. I'm going to click new note, and I'm going to type new note in here. And when you have stickies open, you can change the color of your sticky note that you just created, like that. And these are good for applications that you want to collect information on, or if you just want to make notes to yourself or phone numbers or anything like that. You can just use sticky notes. And if you want to hide the sticky notes application, instead of quitting out of it, you can just go up to stickies, hide stickies like that. And also down here in our dashboard, I'm going to open up our dashboard and twirl that up. And you see down here there's another stickies application I'm going to drag out here. And so within the dashboard environment you also have stickies, and you can use these to keep notes on as well, and they will launch when you have your dashboard open. And this is how you change the colors in your dashboard sticky notes. You just say done, and now it's changed. And I'm going to bring our stickies back by clicking on that, and I'm going to quit out of stickies. So that's pretty much how you use stickies in two different areas in your OS X system. I'm Jason, previous Mac Genius, and I'll catch you later.